1969 Chevrolet El Camino here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car powered by a 350 Chevrolet V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Paint was done in 2023 on this car, as well as quite a few other items. We'll get into those in just a bit. First, let's take a look at this front. Painted bumper, grille. Black stripe is also painted on the car, not vinyl. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, interior, bed, undersides. All the still pictures are going to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front, as you can see behind the American Racing wheels. All right, I mentioned the paint was done in 2023. Some of the other things done at that time. It does have newer exhaust on it, Flowmasters, done in 2023. The shocks and springs were replaced. New power steering sector, pump and hoses. And those wheels and tires I just showed you, also done in 2023. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. And again, you can see the paint shows well. Interior is cloth bucket seats, center console. And we're going to get over to the driver's side in just a bit. Check that out a little closer. We're even going to take this one for a spin at the very end of the video, show you how it drives out. There are a few little specks here and there in the clear. You can kind of see. Is the paint perfect? No. Still show well? Absolutely. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's the newer dual exhaust you can see coming out and exiting the rear. The bed has kind of a color-keyed spray and liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, our rear sliding window has been added. If you like these El Caminos back into the late 60s, early 70s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you can see it to make us in person. I should say if you can make it to see us in person. Driver's side looking good also. Again, nice shine to that paint, as it should have, not being that old. All right, interior door panels. And again, the bucket seats. Center console. Step back, give you a little idea what that looks like. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you hear it run. Again, 350 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. Power steering, power brakes. Get a look at the top of the dash. Kind of have this gauge cluster that has been built into that center console with the tach and oil pressure, of course, temp gauge, battery. I've had the stereo power up. I have not had it produce sound. And it gives you an idea what the interior looks like. Headliner. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, show you what we have going on underneath there. So let me pause this a second. We'll check out the engine bay. All right, spring's a little weak to hold it up all the way, so I have that prop rod in there. There it is, small block Chev. Like some of the work's been done underneath here already. Nice looking engine bay. Again, power steering. You'll see new components down here. Headers, HEI ignition, power brakes. Smooth runner. I believe there's also a sway bar added underneath in the front. Be able to see that in the still pictures. And stick around to the very end. We're going to take it for a drive. 1969 Chevrolet El Camino. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1969 Chevrolet El Camino in a very nice paint, blue and black striped, with a black interior, and we've got later model bucket seats in this car. Looks like a 4-speed, is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. Right here on the center console, we've got a sun tachometer down in the console. Lots of traffic I'm watching for here. All right, ready to go. Sun Pro oil pressure gauge reading about 65 psi right down below. The battery gauge is reading over 12. Temperature 190. We have our stereo in the dash. That does work. Speedometer working well. The gas gauge is reading over 3/4 of a tank. Good handling on this car. It looks lowered a little bit. Feels like it's got some suspension mods that do give it better handling. I have a little bit of wind noise, as you might expect from these quarter windows. Seals are old on those front windows, but they do work, and they crank out for ventilation. I always love those windows. Those and floor vents. More cars need to have floor vents as well. Nice firm shifts from the automatic transmission, and like I was saying, this corner is nice and flat. Power steering works well. Sounds great when you get on the throttle. There, if I just open that window a little bit and let some ventilation, the whistle goes away. Very fun car to drive. Nice looking 69 El Camino. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.